Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome to day number 9 guys on my Thanksgiving Day menu. And I got a nice option for you guys right here that don't want to mess with a whole turkey, baking a whole turkey, frying a whole turkey. Go ahead and get you some turkey wings and season it up, throw it in the oven, put a little gravy to it. That's exactly what I got right here. So we're going to jump into this video and I'm going to show you how I get this done. Alrighty guys, so you can see I got me some turkey wings right here in my pan already. I got them turned upside down, seasoning the bottom side first because I like to cook them skin side up. So we're going to go ahead and season this up first with a little black pepper. Then I'm going to come in here and I'm going to hit it with some of this onion powder, heavy on the onion powder. Alright, and I'm coming here and hit it with some of this seasoning salt. I don't want to put too much of this on here because I am going to be adding my gravy to this, which is already seasoned already. So let's put a little seasoning salt on there. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and just give that a flip, season the top side the exact same way, same seasonings. And on the top side, I'm gonna add a little bit of this smoked paprika to it. That's gonna give it just a little smokiness and a nice color on it as our final product. Add a nice little color to it. Alright, so once we got that all nice and seasoned up and looking pretty good just like that, I'm going to come in here with my gravy that I made in a previous video. I had this in my freezer bag and it's going to come in here. This is still kind of frozen as I'm adding it to this, so that's why it looks a little chunky. You can go ahead and get that all over the top here. Alright, once we have that down over the top, then we'll come in and hit it with some of my onions and bell peppers. Put that over the top just like that. And then that's going to get covered and going to go in the oven 350 degrees for 2 hours. And then I'll come back and I'll check it after 2 hours. I want this to have at least 2.5 hours of total cooking time. So I'll get this covered in the oven and I'll be back. Alrighty guys, I am back. Turkey wings are out of the oven. I let this go for exactly 2 hours on 350. And it's gonna come in here and give these a little move around. You can tell by that tip giving like that this is getting nice and tender. Just about pretty tender as I want it to be. You can see that nice gravy melted down and this looks absolutely beautiful on here. There's a lot of excess oil from these turkey wings, but I'll just skim that off and discard that, and then I'm going to get this back in the oven uncovered guys for another 30 minutes. I'm just bringing my turkey wings to the top so they can get a nice color on them once I put them back in the oven. So go ahead and skim this excess oil off of here and get this back in the oven uncovered for 30 minutes. And these bad boys are going to be absolutely done and delicious. Alrighty guys, here we go. This is it. These turkey wings are done out of the oven. Guys, please excuse my work surface. I had a sticky topping on my surface and I don't have anything to take it off with. I gotta find something that removes a sticky surface. So if you guys know anything that removes stickiness from a surface, please let me know. These are my turkey wings right here. They look absolutely beautiful, beautiful turkey wings. Got that nice gravy on it. that was already made in another video, so check that out. And this is a perfect option, guys, if you don't want to cook a whole turkey, if it's just you and maybe a spouse, or you and just a couple other else people. Let's make you a nice pan of turkey wings and gravy. That'll go good with your cornbread dressing. Absolutely delicious. I'm not going to do a taste test, guys. You guys should have seen a taste test on the previous video that I did with my cornbread dressing, but this came out looking absolutely beautiful, absolutely delicious taste, good flavor. So definitely add this to your Thanksgiving menu. Just a nice, beautiful pan of baked turkey wings and gravy. Alrighty, guys, so that is the end of this video right here. These turkey wings came out absolutely delicious. Add this to the table on Thanksgiving if you don't want to mess with a whole turkey. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And also please subscribe to my channel if you are new. And you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Twitch TV, and Pinterest. Cooking and Chilling with Kenny. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget the hashtag, guys. Take your burdens to the Lord and leave it there. Peace. Have a great week, everyone.